Hello there. So I'm excited you're here because so many of you asked me questions about doing the compressing and this routine that is my signature routine that for more than 2 decades I have really helped my clients achieve a clear, healthy, supple, radiant glow. That is what Elite Organics is known for. We create suppleness, we create softness, and we create an ageless skin where people are like, wow, you look so great for your age. No one really knows how old you are because your skin is soft and refined and toned. Okay. So today I'm going to walk you through compressing, and I'm going to walk you through taking off any kind of surface residue if you have like makeup on or sunscreen on before you're compressing, because obviously you don't want to go in with your cloth before you begin your compress. So these are our compress cloths that are 100% organic cotton. They are thick and soft and plush and are gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin for wiping across the face. They are not abrasive. So they're really beautiful organic French terry, and we have these in stock for pre-order season. So go ahead and order your compress cloths. They're beautiful on the skin. They're made just for us, and I designed them. So they're for you, okay? And then we also have a 4x4 cotton square, okay? 100% cotton. Now you can buy these 4x4 squares in like spa supply. Just make sure they're 100% cotton. Sometimes they will say like a silken wipe, or they'll describe it in a different way, and they're polyester and nylon, and those do not biodegrade and are really harmful to the environment. So just get a 4x4 cotton, and we sell these online. These are our bundle of wipes that you can go ahead and order, or you can find them on your own, okay? So why I have these, because if you have anything on the surface, you're going to want to remove that before you go on with your cloth, right? You have sunscreen maybe, or you have foundation or whatnot. So you're just going to take your cloth, and I have a bowl here with some warm water, which you can't see, or maybe you see that now. There it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my 4x4 square, and I also have with me, this is our PLUM almond oil, which is really great for removing makeup and protecting the skin in the shower, putting a thin layer of this on your skin if it's really sensitive and reactive before you get in the shower. You can read about that in my Radiant Skincare Guide, which is free, the link is below, so go ahead and get your guide. So I just have a little bit of this that you can use on your wipe to remove your makeup. So I'm just gonna dampen this in a little bit of warm water. So again, you have some makeup on, you have some foundation on. I have 2 of them, okay, depending on how much you have on that you really want to get off. Now, I don't have any makeup on now, but I'm going to walk you through the motion, and trust me, it's effective. Just be patient. And I'm just going to put a few drops here of oil. Now, if you have a mascara on that is waterproof or not a natural product, you might want to take a little bit of this oil and massage it here before you get started to start to break down that mascara while you're getting your cloth ready, your wipe ready, and while you're beginning your face. Because while that's sitting there, while you're doing these other things, this will start to loosen up, okay? So, and then just take this and kind of mix that oil around, and we're just gonna go in and we're gonna do, like, imagine these are these wipes that you buy in the store that really are a burden to the environment. Make your own wipe. Do your neck, of course, like do your whole thing, remove, okay? Now you have sunscreen on, you have foundation on. You might want to take this now and open it up and flip it to the other side. Okay, and look at what comes off. This is just like my day. This is what will come off. So don't underestimate the power of this surface cleanse. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna wipe, okay? And now you have 4 of these. So now you can flip it on the other side and just go ahead. Put a little bit more oil if you want. Run in the water again if you want. And try to get as much of that off as you can, okay? So that's your first step if you are wearing makeup or sunscreen and you want to get that off. Now, if you are not wearing any of that, you're going to go right in with your compress. If you are wearing that, you're going to do that first, and then you're going to go in with your compress. Compressing is always your first step of your routine unless you have this residue surface product on that you want to get off. Compressing, you begin your routine with that. So in the morning, you're not going to do this makeup removing, right? Hopefully you did that the night before. You're going to just go in with your compressing. So how do we compress and why do we compress? We're compressing to remove any surface residue that is not makeup or sunscreen, just like surface, sweat or dirt that's excreted overnight as you slept. If you don't wear makeup and you were just out and about all day or working from home, you will have surface residue on your skin from your skin's natural process of excreting waste. It also warms the skin. It opens your pores. It helps to move lymph because warmth encourages movement and flow. It is not constricting like cold is. So the warmth is encouraging this lymphatic flow, okay? And it also helps to exfoliate, especially if you have sensitive skin. And I'm gonna show you why you're exfoliating and you're cleansing. If you don't wear makeup and you're someone like me that really does not wear face makeup, foundation, anything like that, this is your cleanse, with the exception on the days when you want your honey cleanse or you wanna do your full on, like a really thorough kind of treatment. It's one of those nights. But otherwise, your compress and your hydrosol, like that's it, and a moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna wet my cloth. And you wanna do 3 rounds of this, okay? 3 rounds is what I have found with my clients and in all the years that I've been sharing this tip to be the most effective. This step also slows you down, you guys. It really gets you connected to yourself and giving yourself some time and breathing and calming your nervous system and de-stressing and really having a beautiful routine. So that's the other added benefit of this. It's like you're not rushing through. We're rushing through these routines and we wonder why our skin looks not what we want it to look like, and we're not tending to it in a way that's going to encourage that. So slow down, and that's what this routine is going to allow you. So here's my cloth. It's in warm water, and we're just going to take this cloth, and I'm going to do it now so you're not going to see my face because I'm going to put this over my face, and we're just going to hold this over our face. And we're going to do it for a real 10 seconds. So not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, slow down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the gist, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A real 10 seconds. Now, when you remove the cloth, I want you to wipe. This is why you're also cleansing. You just warmed all that up on the surface and now you're wiping. And the cloth is gently exfoliating, okay? Any dead skin that is on the surface of your skin. Dead skin on the surface of your skin. Don't forget your neck. Now you want to do this step 3 times. So you want to go back in, go back, go back in, go back, okay? That is your compressing. This is the beautifying routine that people always ask me, well, what do you do to your skin? I want skin like yours. Well, this is what I do, okay? And then after you do your compressing, you want to go in with your beautifying water, definitely. So here I have our rose. This is my rose water. Spray, and lots of it, you guys. So this is like a great morning routine, okay? Again, you did your thorough cleanse the night before, and now we're just gonna go in and we're gonna do our compressing and we're gonna do our hydrosol, and then we'll go in. I have a little prickly pear seed oil, which is insanely luxurious and beautiful. Sometimes I have it in stock, sometimes not. And we are going to moisturize. Don't ever forget your neck and don't ever forget this area, okay? And we're gonna go in and we can do a little lifting as we're doing it. If you have sensitive skin, you don't wanna pull so hard. If you have sensitive skin and acne skin, this is how you apply your moisturizer. Okay? You don't do what I'm doing. My skin can take it. I have a healthy surface. But otherwise, you are doing this. But you can go in with your neck. So as you go up, people always ask, do I go up or do I go down? I say you go both ways, okay? Because you have that carotid artery. You have all this like venous activity, blood flow coming up to your heart, also coming down. So come up, bring some blood flow upward, but then also encourage and come down to this terminus area. Prime lymphatic drainage spot, clavicle, a lot of lymph activity. Sweep, sweep, sweep. And that's your routine, okay? Oh, hold on. I like to finish with hydrosol. If you guys want really amazing skin, I'm telling you, do you see how much I use? Hydrosol. Hydrosol, hydrosol, hydrosol. Okay, so that's your routine. And go ahead and watch the next video. I'm gonna show you how to cleanse with honey because I know that that can be a little bit like daunting. And that's it. And go ahead and get your free guide below and I will see you in the next video.